Let's move on to the final section, which is the conclusion. And guess what? This section also comes in 3 parts, so it's easy to remember. Part 1 is the topic sentence, where you summarize the main point. Part 2, restate the main thesis of the essay. And part 3, the closing sentence. The conclusion is the final part of the essay and brings all your ideas together to conclude your work. You will need to write a topic sentence again, but in the topic sentence, you need to summarize some of the main points that you have made in your essay. Now remember, some essays might be short, 200 words, so it's easy for a reader to remember what you have written about. But imagine the essay is thousands of words. The reader might forget some of your main points again. So the conclusion is another opportunity to restate some of your great and main ideas that you have already discussed. But remember, it is the conclusion. It is not the main body. So do not put any new ideas in the conclusion. Any new ideas should be in the main body section. Do not confuse the reader. Just remind them of the great things that you have written about. When you finish the topic sentence with the summary of your great ideas, don't forget to go to part 2, which is to restate the main thesis of the essay. Now, don't just copy and paste from the introduction. You need to rephrase it or paraphrase it again. And lastly, you need to write a closing sentence. This is important because it's a way to really close and lock off your essay. And it needs to give the reader a sense that they have come to the end of their journey of reading your paper. So make sure that you focus on a strong finishing sentence, because it can really make a big difference to your essay. Okay, I hope that was an easy way for you to remember the key sections of writing your essay. If you have any questions or thoughts, let us know in the comments below.